Hi, hello everyone, Happy New Year. This is my first video of 2024. Today we are going to look into the new platform released by Microsoft as a public preview, which is called FTImplementation Copilot. This platform basically resides on the ability of Copilot being trained on the documentation available for Dynamics products. Basically, it leverages on the documentation of Microsoft Learn, all the help available of various Dynamics products, as well as fast track implementation guide. This will help all the consultant and all the partners in leveraging the in-time responses based on the prompt given by a consultant or partner to expedite the implementation process of Dynamics product. Let's have a review of this Copilot review. Hi. Hello everyone. Microsoft has recently launched new FT implementation portal, which basically leverages the capabilities of Copilot. As I mentioned in the intro, we'll have a just a review of this Microsoft Copilot, which is recently made available for the preview purpose. To log into this portal, you need to type in this URL in your browser. So the URL is experience.dynamics.com /FT implementation portal. So once you type in this, so you'll be asked to log in. So currently I have logged in through my personal account. So it's not synced with any partner or my customer. But once you log in, it will ask you to fill up certain information, which I have already done. I'll not share that over the video, but you are required to provide those info, and once it is done, you will be redirected over here. Uh, in the bell icon, you can see the announcement that Microsoft is saying that we are happy to announce that implementation Copilot is now available for the portal under public preview. So basically, this is available for everyone. Check out the icon on the bottom right of the page and feel free to ask Copilot for the assistance. So this is the icon which we will be utilizing. It will look for all the D365 and Power Platform documentation as well as Success by Design implementation guide. So Success by Design is also another implementation guide which is provided by Microsoft. Uh, so uh, while searching for the answers, Copilot will look through this resources to come up with the answer what we are looking for. So I'll close this, but before I dive into this Copilot window, I'll just like to explore this portal. So on the home page, it is showing me certain aspects related to projects where I can create or join a project. I can submit my project for the go live readiness review and other aspect. So it also mentions that we can manage project data, project user, implementation guidelines. So this is similar to LCS, I believe, more or less. And I think it behaves in almost similar way. I have an option of projects over here. When I click on the projects, I can basically create a new project or join a project. If I click on create project, now it is asking me to uh, type in all these relevant details which is required to create a project, and I
think this is very much similar to go live readiness review for finance and operation apps. So basically, it asks you to fill out your email, tenant ID, project name, MPN, which is implementation partner, products in scope. So which products are we targeting to roll it out? So all the Dynamics products which are available as add-ins are listed over here. You have URL, which would be your LCS URL, uh, and what is the phase of your project implementation. If you are initiating, you can select initiate. Then you can prepare for go live. What would be the estimated go live date for implementation project? So this is mainly for the current rollout. Use the field to provide additional. Okay, you need to, if you need to provide additional information. Do you understand that this form is not related to go live readiness? So basically, this is not something which you are supposed to do only when you are doing the go live readiness. Even if it's an initiation of the project, or you are onboarding this project or joining this project on this portal, you need to submit this information. I believe certain things will be more clear if once Microsoft rolls it out officially. But as of now, it's preview, so I don't think that all the steps defined are would be the way it is right now. Other option is create or join the project, which is some same. This redirection and this redirection are both going to the same page. Nominations. If I click on nominations, I'll be asked to nominate my project for the fast track implementation. Since I have not logged in through my partner, I don't have that access. Then I have knowledge article. Now under the knowledge article, I believe there are filters and extensive, so bifurcations are there. You can search through products, product wise. You can search reviews, review topic, review items. So this will narrow down your search if you know what you are looking for, or if you know certain areas what you want to explore. So this is again knowledge articles which would be helpful for all the consultants, be it technical or functional, and to any product which is related to our Dynamics platform. Uh, okay, I'll move to home page. Uh, Now I can see this Copilot window. I'll open this. I had already done some search, so you can see those over here. As a start, we can see that Microsoft has published one disclosure that Microsoft is committed for the ethical and responsible AI development, which I believe which is a sensible step because AI is a very destructive and powerful tool which can do which can harm us immensely. So we need AI to be ethical and responsible. And all the other disclaimers are made by Microsoft that there will be proper transparency on what we are using for. Once you complete that, Microsoft is greeting us. Basically, this platform is greeting us that I am implementation co-pilot. I'm here to help you. I can answer questions related to learn content, so which whatever is listed on Microsoft Learn, and documentation across that D365 products. So as a help, we have a lot of products, and their help also has an extensive resource, Power Platform, and Success by Design implementation guides. So we can leverage all these resources and search what we want, what we are looking for. So I had already searched for certain articles, certain stats. I wanted to look how they are, how good are they. So I'll just, for the demo purpose, I'll just type in some point. Hi, can you please not mention anything whether it is related to finance and operations or any other product. I just mentioned, can you please help me with setting up customer group? So what it has given me, that customer group, you can follow this tab, choose the icon to access customer group setting. Okay, so now this is uh, application agnostic. uh, there is no clear path in this. uh, I believe that's why it is just showing, asking me to choose an icon to access, choose the icon to access the customer group setting. So I need to figure out which product it is. Okay, enter customer groups and select related link. On the customer group page, you can create a new group by selecting new. Okay, so these are all the standard things. And if I click on this, it will redirect. It is redirecting me to customer price group. I don't know which product is this, but this is okay. So this is showing me business central. Now let me change my prompt. uh, I'll use the same prompt, but at the end I'll mention the product which I want to utilize. Hi, can you please help me with setting up customer group in D365 Finance and Operations? Okay, so let's see what it has come up with. Okay, so now it has given us a proper navigation. To navigate to customer credit group page, go to credit management, customer credit group. But I did not mention anything related to credit groups. I just mentioned customer groups. So yeah, so this is again, it's not useful for me. Let me retry the prompt. Can you please help me setting up customers group in D365 Finance and Operations? Now let's see what Microsoft, what this Copilot gives us. Again, it is related to credit groups. Okay, so it's not what I was looking for. Let me try another prompt. Uh, Hi, please help me with setting up item number, setting up number sequence for item number in D365 Finance and Operations. Okay. Could you please rephrase that? I am not sure I understand what you mean. Okay. So let me change the prompt. I will say, hi, tell me the steps on how to set up item number, item master number sequence in 365 Finance and Operations. Okay, now let's see. So I've got a response. So this means that Copilot can understand my prompt. Now the response what I have got is quite accurate. Go to navigation pane, select modules, organization, administration, number sequence. Okay, this is quite accurate. click on generate button, select next to proceed. On the next page you can modify identification code, lowest value. Okay, so this does not mention specific thing related to item master. It is generate general answer for the number sequence. But prior to making this video, I had actually done one prompt which actually gave me a good response. Help me in configuring number sequence for item master. So you see, if the prompts are different, you will get different responses. So we also need to know how to optimize our prompt to get accurate answers from Copilot. Now, when I did this prompt, I got very accurate answer. Uh, now, again, let me type in the same prompt and let's see what response I get. Help me in configuring number sequence for item master. I have not specified any uh, technology, but now I think it is asking me to specify more, or maybe it is not able to understand. D365 finance and operations. Now I am hoping that okay. So yeah, so for the same prompt, I'm not getting same response. Ah, this is tricky. I don't know how this works now. Because I had the same prompt 33 minutes ago and I received this response to configure a number sequence for item master. You can follow the steps, go to number sequence, visit by finance and operations, access number sequence page, locate the number sequence associated with item master, set up the desired format on the number sequence, including any segments or constant you want to include, specify the scope of number sequence which can be shared, legal company and all. Now for the same prompt, Copilot is saying he or she or it or they not able to understand what I am asking for. Okay, again, I'll ask, help me in configuring number sequence for item master. I don't know. I am okay. Now I am getting same response. So this is the same response. Uh, so this is inconsistent. I believe they are still working on it. That is what we can think of. But this is, I don't know how much we can rely on this or how much helpful it would be. Definitely, it is helpful, but how much accurate it is, we'll see. But definitely, something is better than nothing, and this will come handy for somebody who is starting to get accustomed to D365 and application, any Dynamics application. So this would be a helpful tool for them to start. Okay, I think there's nothing much to explore on this platform. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this was helpful and entertaining.